Before starting any activity, always verify that the student is the only active user in Google Accounts. I'm going to show you how. So first, type in the browser account.google.com. At the Accounts menu, you want to go to the upper right corner and click on the circle or the picture that's there. And we're going to sign everyone out. And then, of course, I'm going to show you how to sign only the student back in. After you click on the picture, it'll open up a box that has everyone who's either signed out or signed in. And at the bottom, you'll want to click on Sign Out All Users. Now, this will open up another box in the middle of the screen where it'll say Choose an Account. And if you see your student's account, you can just click on it. If you don't, then you're going to click on Use Another Account and then use the student's email address to put in there. And the format is the first initial of the first name, the first initial of the last name, their lunch numbers at aldine-isd.org. Again, the first letter of the first name, the first letter of the last name at aldine-isd.org. And click Next. Now you'll need to enter the password. Now their password, if it's been reset, is going to be the first initial of their first name, the first initial of their last name, 2-digit month, 2-digit day, 4-digit year, hashtag. It's their birthday. Again, first letter of their first name, first letter of their last name, 2-digit month, 2-digit day, 4-digit year, hashtag. Or it's going to be Parker 2019 with a capital P. So capital P, ARKER 2019. And click Next. And now they're logged in and they're the only user logged in. So just remember, always do this first. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, click like.